Today's session is group discussion. The topic is English is an international language. English is an international language. English is a global language. तो चलिए शुरू किया जाए. लेट्स स्टार्ट. गेट सेट गो एंड स्टार्ट विद आयुष राज.
Good afternoon, all of you. Today's topic is English is an international language. Group discussion. English is spoken all over the world. English is the common language of the world because if we know English, we go other country and speak in English, then other person was think our language. Thank you.
Ayush said English is a common language. When we travel other persons, place, other countries, other lands, then we feel comfortable there and other persons understand our language there. Next. सुनिए, ठीक है, और आगे बोलने का तैयार रहिए.
English is very easy and understand language. You are going to do business in other countries. You learn English. You communicate with people easily. Thank you.
Well said, Aryan. Good going. Continue. Next, Vijay.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Vijay Kumar. I am going to talk. English is an international language. English is a language of science and technology. To get a good job, we need to learn English. Thank you.
Very good. We need to learn English to get a good job. This is the point said by Vijay. Next.
English is a language which we can learn and speak easily, and it is most used language in our country.
Very good. कोई बात नहीं, उसको ऊपर फिर से चिपकाइए, आराम से बस पास करिएगा माइक, नहीं तो सबको फिर लगाना पड़ेगा बार बार.
इंग्लिश इज सर देख के बोल सकते हैं.
ठीक.
English is spoken all over the world. English is a good language. English is a common language in the world. English is very easy to learn, understand and speak. English help us to community and foreign land. English is a language of science and technology. Thank you.
Very good. Next. मुस्कान कहाँ गई? बाहर आके बैठिए मुस्कान. नहीं भी बोलिए लेकिन बैठिए बाहर में, सीखिए बाहर में आकर. बाहर बैठ के सीखिए कैसे बोल रहे हैं, सुनिए.
English is the international language of English is the language of international trade, diplomacy and technology. Business and innovators use it to collaborate globally. The discussion can conclude that English is a powerful tool for progress and global interaction, but its importance should be balanced with a respect for one's own culture and roots. Thank you.
Very good. Try to say by your own mind, not by copy. Copy can be used for hint purpose only, but you have to speak something.
If you know English, increased your chances of getting job, because English is a very easy language.
Very good. You spoke by yourself. It's a good thing. Muskan, come outside.
Without English, we cannot survive in foreign countries as Russia, Germany, etc. Thank you.
उसको हाथ में भी रख सकते हैं, दोनों चीज रख सकते हैं हाथ में। या गिर रहा है तो दोनों को हाथ में रखिए।
Knowing English makes us feel happy and confident.
बस नेक्स्ट।
English is a important language that used all over the world. It's help people from another country to communicate to each others. Thank you.
कितना अच्छा बोले, बिना देखे हुए बोले।
Good afternoon, my dear friends. Today's topic is English is an international language group discussion. Knowledge of English can create feelings of happiness and confidence as it opens up new opportunities and enhance personal growth. Thank you.
वाह, बहुत अच्छा बोले।
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Adarsh Kumar Jha. Today's topic is English is an international language. English is relatively easy language for more learners and talk about each other.
English is most important language in this world.
माइक ऑफ हो गया है।
Yes, sir. On. English is most important language in this world because this is very dangerous weapon in this our thinking and our language. We go to any countries to together speaking in English language to meet any people in this world. Thank you.
Well said.
English help us to do business and grow it in the world. English is a very important language. Thank you.
बस ये फर्स्ट कंक्लूड द फर्स्ट राउंड, उसके बाद फिर शुरू होगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी कंक्लूड दिस सेशन। ये ऐसे ठीक है ना, मतलब दो ही तरीका है, एक तो है कि इस पे इसको हम लगा दें, दूसरा है कि हर एक को फिर जो है या तो इसको भी हाथ में रखना होगा या इसको फिर कॉलर पे लगाना होगा। तो हमको लग रहा है ऐसे में टाइम सेव हो रहा है, टाइम बच रहा है। हर एक को लगाएंगे तो टाइम लगेगा ना उसमें। बस इसको ध्यान रखना है कि ज़्यादा ऐसे फेंकना नहीं है माइक को, नहीं तो ये निकल के नीचे गिरेगा। तो आराम से। इन फर्स्ट राउंड मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्म्ड, डिड वेरी वेल। You have to create something new every time. Try to get some new ideas. English is important because it gives us so much big knowledge about the world. If you want to see the world, English is just like a window through which you can see the reality of the world. So many cultures, languages are widely spoken and followed in the world. We all want to grow in our life. We want to go from here to many places. The places are waiting for us. If you go there and you don't understand the language of those places, that time English will help you, because it's a linking language, connecting language, communicating language, common language. A language that is widely spoken in the world, that is English. If I speak about it, I will take more than 15 to 20 minutes, but the matter will be not resolved there. So I am trying to boost your energy. Think English, one sentence will be there about English. If I say the word English, there is a sentence permanently fixed. हमेशा इंग्लिश बोलेंगे अपने आप सेंटेंस आएगा। इंग्लिश सब दिमाग में डालेंगे कि वाक्य खुद ब खुद आएगा, हर बार नया होगा वो, हर बार डिफरेंट होगा वो। तो ऐसा बनाना पड़ेगा ना दिमाग में, वो रखना पड़ेगा नॉलेज, वो थॉट। तो वही आज हम लोग एक दूसरे से शेयर कर रहे हैं। सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ नॉलेज है। ये ऐसा है कि 1-1 लीटर पानी सब लोग लेके आए और 20 अगर विद्यार्थी मिलकर के 1-1 लीटर बीच में रखेंगे तो 20 लीटर होगा। अब सबको हम बोल रहे उठा लीजिए 20-20, सब लेके कितना आए थे? 1 लीटर। जाग रहे कितना लेकर के? 20 लीटर। ये नॉलेज है। कुछ देर में आप जितना नॉलेज लेके आए थे उसका 20 गुना बढ़ने वाला है, क्योंकि 20 विद्यार्थी मिलके हम लोग शेयर कर रहे हैं। तो नॉलेज शेयरिंग से ज्यादा प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस और कोई है ही नहीं। तो लेट्स शेयर आवर नॉलेज अबाउट इंग्लिश। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेकेंड राउंड। ये दूसरा राउंड हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं। बी एनर्जेटिक, शेयर योर पॉजिटिव वाइब्स विद अदर्स, से समथिंग दैट कैन फोर्स अदर्स टू क्लैप। ऐसा कुछ बोलिए कि दूसरे को मजबूर कर दे क्लैप करने के लिए। कोई अच्छा बोले तो क्लैप करिए, कोई जबरदस्त बोले क्लैप करिए, उसका उससे हिम्मत बढ़ेगा। कोई कॉपी देख के बोल रहा है, नो नीड टू क्लैप। कोई एक लाइन बस बोल दिया, इंग्लिश इज इंपॉर्टेंट थैंक यू, नो नीड टू क्लैप। अगर कोई अच्छा बोले, नया बोले, बेहतरीन बोले, अपने मन से बोले तो क्लैप करिए, हिम्मत मिलेगा उसको भी और आपको भी, वो जरूर क्लैप करके हिम्मत बढ़ाएगा। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट सेकंड राउंड।
To get a good job, we need to learn English, because we need to learn English. If you know English, you have teach in village and earn money. Thank you.
Good new point. You can earn money by teaching English in the evening time as a home tutor.
You know English. You can see the foreign TV shows, books, and etc. The language of internet is business, research, and psychology is English. Thank you.
Wow. So new phrase point said by Aryan.
English gives access to multiple culture. English is a media industry. Learning English can help you meet any people.
Wow. Very
Thank
good. ये सब लोग बिना देख के बोल रहे हैं, एकदम अपने मन से।
With the help of English, we can do our work easily and faster. English is used in computers, technologies, and mobiles. Thank you.
Wow. Very good. Well said, Divyanshu. If you want to speak, you can. If you don't, I will not force you. But observe all of the students. सबको observe करिए, ठीक है? आप नहीं बोलना चाहे, ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि कल से हम ये नहीं करेंगे सर, आप हमको क्यों मतलब प्रेशराइज कर रहे हैं। I also remember once upon a time when I was in intermediate, I went to Patna to learn spoken English in Sneha spoken classes. First day I entered in the class that was running already for more than 3 to 4 months. I was there in the between of so many intelligent students who were speaking very well. And वो गोल चेयर था और उसमें एक जगह हम बैठ गए और हमको बस यही था कि हमको यहाँ से बस जाने दीजिए। जैसे जैसे वो करीब आ रहा था टर्न बोलने का, लग रहा था कि बस गायब हो जाए। और शायद उस दिन का टॉपिक था कि मनी इज एवरीथिंग, ऐसा ही टॉपिक था। और हमको कुछ नहीं बोलने में हुआ। जब बारी आया तो हम बोलते कि हमसे नहीं होगा, हम कुछ नहीं जानते थे, इंटरमीडिएट में थे उस समय। तो जब तक सीखेंगे तो कैसे आएगा? चमत्कार थोड़ी होने वाला है। मिरेकल डजंट हैपन ऑन द, ये सब नहीं होता चमत्कार, सीखना होगा। और उसके बाद 3 बार स्पोकन हम किए, मैट्रिक के बाद, फिर इंटर के बाद, ग्रेजुएशन के बीच में धीरे धीरे करके सीखे। सबसे ज्यादा हम सीखे पढ़ा करके। होम ट्यूशन वाज द पिलर ऑफ माय लाइफ। और 4 साल हर दिन 3 से 4 घंटा इंग्लिश मीडियम के विद्यार्थी को पढ़ाना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा वरदान साबित हो गया। वो एक विद्यार्थी को घर पे जब पढ़ा रहे थे, साइंस पढ़ा रहे थे, इंग्लिश डेवलप हो रहा था, एसएसटी पढ़ा रहे थे, इंग्लिश डेवलप हो रहा था, क्योंकि हर किताब इंग्लिश में था। वो 4 साल मेरा जीवन का सबसे बेहतरीन समय था। इसलिए किसी को भी हम कहते हैं इंटर करने के बाद इंग्लिश ठीक करके शाम में 1-2 बच्चे को होम ट्यूशन दीजिए, पैसा के लिए नहीं। ये नहीं कि पापा पैसा नहीं दे रहे इसलिए पैसा आप कर रहे, इसलिए नहीं कि नॉलेज बढ़ाना है, डेवलप करना है खुद को, अपने पर्सनालिटी को बेहतर बनाना है। इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग आप भीड़ में सीखने में डर रहे हैं, जबकि यहाँ सब आप ही के जैसे हैं। लेकिन अगर आपको मंच पे खड़ा कर दे, आप नर्वस हो जाइएगा। अगर बहुत बड़ा क्राउड होता है, एम्बुलेंस बुलाना होगा आपके लेके, जल्दी ले जाइए, पानी चढ़ाइए, इसको क्या हो गया है, तो कैसे सीखेंगे फिर? तो एक बच्चा को पढ़ाइए और उसी के सामने इंग्लिश बोलिए, वो भी एक तरीका है। वहां से डर आपका खत्म हो जाएगा। तो इंग्लिश सीख करके कहीं होम ट्यूशन अगर मिले तो जरूर ट्राई करिए। वहाँ भी गार्जियन आपको चेक करता है कि सर कुछ अंग्रेजी में बोल पाएंगे कि नहीं, मैम कुछ अंग्रेजी बोल सकती है कि नहीं। तो जब तक कुछ नहीं सीखिएगा, कोई होम ट्यूटर रखने वाला भी नहीं है। प्रैक्टिस बाद में होगा, पहले सीखना होगा, पहले थोड़ा प्रोसेस में आना होगा। ये अगला 1.5 महीना मौका है कि आपका मुंह खुल जाए, आपका दिमाग में अंग्रेजी चले। नेक्स्ट, लवली।
English is the language of science and technology. English is a important language. English is a good language.
A scientific language scientists research and online contact are in English, making it essential for knowledge and learning. Thank you.
Very good. You said scientific research and many other contents are only present in English on online. So if you want to get access there, you have to learn first of all English. Next.
More good books are published only in English. So more opportunity are available for a persons who can understanding English well.
Good. More books and many more things only available in English. So if you want to reach there, you have to first learn English, then you can get access to those books also, those TV shows, media channels, movies, so many things are available only in English. So if you learn English, you get all those things. Next.
We can earn much money, so needs English. Without English we cannot get a good job, so English is very important. Thank you.
Next.
In the future, knowing English will help us get good jobs.
और कुछ बस?
English is a foundational language of digital world. Digital world. अरे क्या था? Enabling collaboration and knowledge sharing in the field, fastest field of technology.
In the digital world, you said in the digital world, the only language is English. So foundation of a digital world is English. Rajveer is saying very good point. The foundation of the digital world, we don't know Hindi of digital. We use this word digital only. Nobody knows the Hindi of digital. So if you want to go digitally, you have to learn English. Next.
Learning English gives the content. Learning English gives the ability to forget TV shows, movies, books, and other media's content, as these are available to English. Knowing English makes us feel happy and confident, because when we talk in English, everyone will jealous to me and I feel happy.
Wow, good. बहुत शानदार। खुद से बोले, इतनी अच्छी बात बोले और प्रैक्टिकल बात बोले।
we know is this, our national language is Hindi, but not spoken by Hindi language in any states. Yeah, we going to any states in any purpose, we help us to only English language. Thank you.
Good.
The language of internet, business, invention, research, and then more of English language.
The language of research, invention, and many these type of things is only English. So now we are completing second round. You all have said something new, fresh points this time also. Trying to say new is a difficult job. Repeating the last one doesn't mean anything. You are getting new or you are speaking by yourself. So don't repeat. Try to say something new. You can create something new by changing the line that didn't say by anyone. English. English is the language that ruled all over the world for more than 200 years, including India also. Because of English, the main weapon was their English. They ruled over us. We fought with them and they escaped India. But the language that was English, at present we are using. Because so much easy learning of English is. If you compare your own language Hindi with English, you will get English is much easier than Hindi also. English has only 26 letters. And lakhs of words are in the dictionary made with only 26 letters. The grammar is changing with the world. The English grammar itself changing with the world. English has changed itself in so many years. In origin, English was Englisk. It changed itself and new name English. It came from Anglican and that was used in England, that is at present England. You have read these things in a story of English class 11th and 12th. So the language that can change can survive here. We all want to learn it because it gives us chance to win in our life, and we want to be winner, we want to be warrior, we want to win the race of life. So in life we need what? We need money, respect, a good job, a good lifestyle, and everything will be made easily available to you if you learn English. By learning English, you can get all those things that you wish, that you want to get one day. Try to say something new. This is the last round. ये आखिरी राउंड है, तीसरा राउंड है ये. तो कुछ नया कहिए, कुछ फ्रेश कहिए, कुछ बेहतरीन कहिए. कॉपी से नहीं देखकर कहिए. मजबूरी बने तब देखिए. कोशिश करिए बिना देख के कहे. छोटा छोटा ही सेंटेंस बनाइए. सिंपल सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाइए कि इंग्लिश इज गुड. इंग्लिश हेल्प्स अस टू गेट एवरीथिंग दैट वी वांट इन आवर लाइफ. We all want respect, money, name, fame, good lifestyle, house, a big car, job, and all things will be available if we follow the medium of English. Every parent's dream that their child go to only English medium school. We send our children to English medium school. Why? Because of only English. We know that English is future, future is English. So, to make our future bright, we all have to learn English. आराम से बोलना है. टेक योर टाइम एंड स्पीक. थिंक एंड स्पीक. डोंट गेट फास्ट नर्वस. टेक योर टाइम. बी कूल, बी calm. It's your place, your chance. Let's start the third round and last round.
English help us to grow our business in the world, because if you know English, you grow your if you know English, you go other countries and growth your business, and say and tell us about your business. English is important for our life. Thank you.
Very good. Next.
English language is provide you your English language provide you confident and personality. Your personality is checking by your language. Your language is language is English. You are very well and educated in India.
Very good. At least you say by your own mind, not by copy. It's a big thing.
English is important because it bring people together. English helps us travel any countries. Thank you.
Very good. Next.
English is used to make business deals in international countries, because outsider people is not know Hindi, Bhojpuri and Sanskrit etc. He know only the language, it is English. Thank you.
Wow. Well said, Divyanshu. Well said.
You can enjoy foreign TV shows, movie, books, and many things in English. English helps us to business and grow and confidence. Thank you.
Good. Try to speak by own mind, not by copy. Next.
The global spread in English of historical events and the British Empire's rises included the global power. Thank you.
Very good. English is English because of the global spread of English empire in the past.
English helps us about understanding different cultures because people living all the countries in the world who can understanding English.
Very good.
Many central level job crack by English. Example, SSC, NDA, Air Force, etc. Many brands name write in English. English is very important for all people, because without English we cannot survive other country, foreign country. Thank you.
Very good.
Without English we cannot read English book and watching is Hollywood movie. Thank you.
We cannot enjoy Hollywood movies.
English is also main language of education, business and trading, artificial intelligence, etc.
Start, Ashish.
Most most research papers, conference and documentation in the field of science and technology are in English, making it the dominant language this field.
Very good.
The English language has simple letter system which is based on phonetics. So English is a easy and best language.
So fast speaking others.
We used mobile, computer, cell phones, but this is only available in English language. We know that is this any global. Thank you.
Very good. At least you said something by your thinking only, not by copy. It's a big thing.
English is a 26 letters in
English has 26 letters. So it is easy to understand, easy to read, write and speak. बोलिए, खींचिए उसी को.
English has 26 letters.
So children feel comfortable. Children feel easy to learn it.
Easy to learn it.
Okay, it's okay. Keep the mic here. Now, finally, we are completing the time and the round also. It's approaching 5 p.m. now, and you all have performed well. It's the first time that we are doing the group discussion, but we nailed it. We did it very more than my expectation. All excluding only Muskan, not including, excluding, said 3 times. You took the mic 3 times and tried to say something new every time. 5 months ago, if someone would say you to speak in English something, no chance to speak a single line, but now you can say 5 to 6 lines about anything. Your mind, your brain is now thinking something in English. This is the achievement of this class. We start this journey with more than 40 students. Approx 20 students. Half of the students went when the pressure rises, but now this number should not decrease. You all have to go till the last of the batch. We will end this batch by the time of Makar Sankranti next year. This batch will be finished by Makar Sankranti celebration. We have decided the final test date also, that is 10th of January. 10th of January will be the final test of your batch. Already I have discussed about the syllabus, number of questions and types of questions also. The 3 toppers will be given bumper prizes and all other students will be given consolation prize if you pass in the test. Passing marks will be only 30%. So now let's conclude the session. Any other language in the world can't compete with English. English has developed itself so much in the last more than 1500 years. it has made itself easier to understand, learn, write, speak. You will feel English grammar and Hindi grammar, if you make comparison there, you will feel that English is much easier. I teach both English grammar and Hindi grammar, both I teach, and I feel it every time. English is much easier than Hindi also. Hindi has 52 letters and English has only 26. English is half of the Hindi, so you can carry it easily. English has so light that you can carry it easily till the last breath of your life. Now it's completing here. Next time we will do something new next week, that will be debate.